Hello techies, how to install the QGIS. First open the Chrome and type QGIS download. Click on the download QGIS. Scroll it. Click on the QGIS standalone installer version 3.16. I have already downloaded. Go to this file where you have downloaded the QGIS. Right click on that and click on the run as administrator and give permission yes. Click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next. Default it is selected QGIS, untick 3 and click on the install. It will take time to install. Click on the finish.